I'm Afia Yunus, and I'm the principal attorney and owner of Yunus Law. And I practice exclusively immigration law out of a Philadelphia office and an office in Chicago. So we provide immigration legal services in 3 areas. First, in family-based immigration services. Second, in employment-based immigration services. And finally, we do offer legal representation in removal proceedings. Our motto here at Yunus Law is your voice, your advocate. And that really encompasses who we are. In that your voice is your goal and your dream. And your advocate is me. And I'm going to accomplish that dream. I know the law, and I think that's most important, is I not only know it, but I can use it to my client's advantage. Now, before I meet with a client, I almost always give them a questionnaire, a very detailed questionnaire, and I tell them I don't like to meet with them without having a full and thorough background, so that when we meet, I'm prepared. I do all the research necessary and meet with them and say, okay, I have option A, B, and C. Once I lay out the 3 options, I kind of work with my client, and very importantly, not at my client, because I think it's extremely important that myself and my client work as a partnership in finding and identifying the path of least resistance.
Eu e minha esposa iniciamos o preenchimento dos formulários por conta própria. E durante o preenchimento desses formulários nós encontramos algumas dificuldades, onde começamos a buscar respostas que não encontramos. Devido a não encontrar essas respostas, a gente resolveu procurar a ajuda de algum especialista.
We narrowed down a few names of a few attorneys in the area in Philadelphia, and we interviewed with a few of them, and that's how we met Afia. I would recommend Afia for the services because she knows the subject matter in question, which is the immigration, and should be able to respond and follow up with you to any concerns you might have and get your case resolved.
Afia helped myself and my spouse file our paperwork for the adjustment of status. She went above and beyond with her professionalism. I would recommend her to anyone with an immigration case. The process was smooth and easy due to Afia's help.
People ask me where I'm from, and I find that to be hilarious because I'm born and raised in the Panhandle of Florida, but my parents are from Pakistan. They immigrated here. My father actually arrived on a medical student visa, and I didn't truly appreciate my father and my mother's experience until I became an immigration attorney. To truly value the sacrifice they made for me and my siblings to have a better life and to have the best education in the world. And they left everything behind to come here. I'm really blessed to see that in my clients and then be able to go back and say thank you to my mom and dad. A lot of clients I had noticed prior to opening my own practice had complained about not being able to reach their attorney, speaking with paralegals, and they would notice mistakes in the application. Here at Yunus Law, I am the sole individual who's preparing and reviewing your application, and I also provide complete and unfettered access to me, which my clients appreciate. So when you're looking for an immigration attorney, you have all these anxieties, and you have all these fears and uncertainties. And what I can assure you is, you can bring all of that to me, and I will take them over. I will use my expertise to turn those anxieties and fears into achieving your goal.